Django forms.ModelForm, Pylint, and new/old style classes. I have a Django 1.5 form that looks like this, simplified. When I run Pylint on this, I get this error. I assume this means the Django's forms.ModelForm is an old-style class, and per the Python docs my call to super is not happening and is therefore extraneous. Is this true? Can I just delete the super call without effect?
This error/warning has nothing to do with the ModelForm class and has to do with you just need to suppress the warning.
No. Pylint, great though it is far from infallible, and in this case has just got it wrong. ModelForm is a new style class and the super is needed.